Now that we are clear about what availability is and how resource allocation could possibly be done, it becomes important to specify the availability requirement in more concrete terms. In this module, we shall look at specifically what is availability in terms of its specifications. And we look at different instances such as the specification in terms of annual requirement, in terms of calendar year requirement, and in terms of a spurt of time. So we are actually looking at availability in more measurable form. In terms of percentage per annum, availability is actually the total uptime during 365 days of a year. So if availability is expressed as in percentage of 99.70, it means the overall downtime in 1 year is no more than 30 minutes. If the availability is defined as all 5 nines, it means 5 minutes is the max that a network could be down. Now, we see that although 99.70 and 99.999 look almost the same because these are 99% after all, but with the finer details, these have an effect on the requirements which emanate from these two different availabilities. In terms of 1 calendar year, availability could also be expressed discretely in high availability requirements in which months, seasons, holidays, working days. If there is a project that is going on, then the deadline necessitates that the network should be up and running during that time. The availability could also be defined in terms of the spurts or the frequency with which the availability could be low. It could be represented as staggered availability or one-time availability. Let's look at the example of 99.70% uptime. It implies 30 minutes per year. These 30 minutes per year could be one time 30 minutes or could be spread over every hour. And every hour actually means 10.70 seconds per hour. Of course, these two are totally different. These two availabilities could suit some users, while to others it would not be acceptable. Likewise, certain applications would not function in one kind of availability and the other.